The story behind Bohemian Rhapsody. In the early 1970s, Queen was not yet a famous band. They were talented, but many people did not understand their music. Rock music at that time followed clear rules. Songs were short, lyrics were simple. Radio stations wanted safe and easy sounds. Freddie Mercury wanted something different. He had ideas that did not fit into normal music. He loved opera, rock, drama, and emotion. He believed a song could be many things at the same time. One day, Freddie arrived with a strange idea. It was not a normal song. It had no clear chorus. It changed style many times. It was long, very long for radio. Some parts sounded like opera. Others sounded like hard rock. The band listened in silence. They were confused, but also curious. Freddie did not explain the meaning. He only said that the song was personal, very personal. He wanted people to feel it, not understand it completely. Recording the song was difficult. The opera section took weeks. The band recorded many vocal layers, again and again. Studios had never done something like this before. Engineers thought it was impossible. But Queen continued. They believed in the song, even when others did not. When the song was finished, the problems started. The record company said it was too long. Radio stations said it would never be played. Producers said people would not listen to it. Queen refused to change it. They said the song must stay exactly as it was. Then something unexpected happened. A radio DJ played the song on air. Not once, not a short version, the full song. People listened. They called the station. They asked to hear it again. Bohemian Rhapsody became a success. Not because it followed rules, but because it broke them. The song reached #1. It stayed there for weeks. People sang it, even if they did not understand every word. The emotion was enough. Years later, the song returned. A new generation discovered it through movies and live performances. Freddie Mercury's voice, the drama, and the power of the song felt timeless. Today, Bohemian Rhapsody is more than a song. It is a reminder that creativity needs courage, that art does not need permission, and that sometimes the strangest ideas become the greatest ones.
Before you leave, let me ask you something. Did you understand this story? Was it easy for you, a little difficult, or very difficult? Please write in the comments, I understood everything, I understood most of it, or I need more practice. Your comment helps me understand your level and helps this channel grow. If this reading helped you practice your English today, leave a like and subscribe for more English stories. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.